Patty Christensen, hand CRPS lady, Southern Utah version. I need a new tagline for this. I don't know. We'll figure something out. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to be talking about poop. Well, not exactly. I'm going to be talking about sewer hoses. One of the things with mobile living, RV, destination trailer, whatever, is you have your little poop things, right? Your sewer things. The standard version is a twist. Okay, twist on, twist off with these little nubbies that it's going to lock into. And even when I had full use of my hands, it was difficult. It was very, very, very difficult. Well, now that I don't have hands, I'm trying using different contraptions, it's very, very difficult. It's impossible. And so I was like, what am I going to do? How am I going to handle this? And, husband's like, well, I can hook everything up for you and you just kind of leave it hooked up for the season. And I'm going, when I'm not here for a week or two, I don't know. Do I want to just unhook those and put it away? Just less chance of bad things happening. Well, anyway, I discovered a company, and I can't remember how, and theirs are more marine style, where there's not the nuggets, anything. It's, how can I do this, especially with bad hands? You've got your thing, and it does this, and then it just clicks and clamps on. And then you can unclick it off, so there's no twisting, which is difficult. It's just levers that you can use anything to help with, right? And so I was like, heck yeah, I'm going to get this. I'd originally got it for my little RV, and I was like, no, I need it for down here, though I'm probably going to be doing both. There's a little bit of a process because you have to scrape off those nubbies and permanently glue on this, this cap thing, this, whatever, cap's not the right word, this part that this thing fits into. So husband came down when I very first came down next day, and he's got one of the two set up. Shipping problems, stupid post office, hate them with a passion. So the second attachment isn't here yet, but it's actually pretty good because I have one on this new program and then one under the old, so that I can show you kind of the difference. Now I'm going to go out there and take some video. Probably no sound, just because there's somebody next to me and, it's a little close, and that could just be weird. I don't want to be that weirdo. But so that you'll see that the new version is green. It's heavy duty as heck. This is fancy, heavy duty as heck. But, and it's just got a clamp on, as opposed to the red version, the normal version, which is that awful twist on. So I'm going to include info on these people in the notes. They're amazing, great to work with. What an amazing thing for people who are handicapped, but still want to be able to travel, want to be able to RV, want to be able to destination trailer. I can't say enough good about this. And yes, you could pay somebody to do it. Frankly, I could do it myself, other than I'd have a hard time with just the kind of getting it all roughed up and scraped. I could do it though. Easy process, didn't take videos. Sorry about that, but it is really, really an easy process. And again, I'll put their info in the notes. Wonderful. Can't say enough good things.